Really, Xiaomi, you can't start a playback? Oh, that's not good. Hi, I'm Matt, and this is NotEnoughTECH. Yesterday, I posted a review of MiBand 4, and if you're interested in that, it's going to be linked probably in this corner there for you, so you can watch the video, you can read it about it if you want. Now, I mentioned one of the biggest shortcomings of MiBand is inability to start a playback directly from the MiBand. So you can control the playback as long as the playback is there, so you can change the volume, you can skip the tracks, or play or pause. That's not a problem. However, for some bizarre reason, you cannot start a playback, so you have to take out your phone and do all those things in order to get the music going. You just cannot press the button and get that going. Thankfully, I managed to fix this, and I know it's a bit of a workaround, however it works great and it's really useful, so I hope you're gonna like it. For my fix, when you swipe to the left, you could get the playback control screen, however that would quickly prompt you to go and start a playback on your phone. Now, thanks to this fix, all you have to do is swipe left and then back to get the music started within a couple of seconds and get the proper music controls on the go. So once you do that, the gesture is going to be discovered, and then Tasker is going to pick up on it and start a playback either of your last track that you've been playing or selected playlist. That's down to you. I'm going to discuss both options in the tutorial section. So first thing that you need to do is to install MiBand Tools. This is quite a useful app as it will provide you with a lot of different options. Now, I'm not going to go over all the options. What I'm going to say is that we're going to really use this as a Tasker plugin. So you don't actually have to do anything with this app. All you have to do is make sure it has granted all the permission that it's going to prompt you for, so we could intercept the gestures and we could use them in Tasker. So when you open your Tasker, you will see that in Events section you will have gesture performed in the plugins. So you will be able to use MiBand Tools as a plugin and get the information about what gesture have you performed on your MiBand, and that's going to be our trigger. Now, to play music, there are actually two ways of doing that. First, the simple way is just to resume playback, and that can be achieved easily with a single action. In the new Tasker we have media control actions, which basically simulate the play button, so phone will basically resume the recent playback. If no recent playback is stored for some reason, or because the app has been killed in the process, it will just pick a song at random. Now, the other option, which you can control a bit better, is using an intent to send the intent to your favorite music player. Now, in this tutorial I'm using Google Play, but from what I've read online, you can easily do that with Spotify or other players that support intent. And what you're gonna do is assign your playlist. Bear in mind that they can't use auto-generated playlists, so playlists like Thumbs Up in a Google Play, you would have to copy it in a custom playlist with a custom name and then use that name to actually get that to open. So you're gonna send this intent with correct actions filled in, and then wait maybe 2 seconds and return to home screen if you don't want that music playback to be available. Now, note on the screen I also have navbar controls. This is something I've done custom, and if you click in the corner of this video now, you'll see tutorial how to get those controls in the corner of the navbar, so you don't have to even pull down your notification in order to control the music playback directly from your phone. So as you can see, this is a very simple fix. Now, I'm not sure whether that's going to be patched or not. I've reported this as an issue because, to be honest, it should be there because you have this ability on Wear OS, and I don't think that's going to be so difficult to implement. However, until then, you can use my fix and you can enjoy your MiBand and you can start streaming music directly from the band. Now I'll be working on a couple of more tutorials involving MiBand 4, so if you're interested in that, subscribe to my social media because I don't have a posting schedule, and if you want to get notified when the new content is available, that's the way, that's the best way to keep in touch with me. As for now guys, thanks so much for watching, I hope that was helpful, and in the comment section below leave your experiences with other apps that will probably help other users, and if you want any written instructions instead of this video, they're available in the video description. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.